Kita rest dari jam 3 subuh sampai di Belopa. Sekarang jam 11 kita akan lanjut ke Bulukumba, tapi yang akan di portal oleh beberapa chapter. Oke, sing sampai.
Oke, kita sekarang berada di base camp ynci chapter LUWUK Timur.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Satu, dua,
Cantik ya Om. Dadah, hati-hati. Hati-hati Om.
And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Hiding
Zoom kamu. Zoom basah-basah.
Timur ya.
Masih mampu kan tidak itu? Masih mampu? Sebentar. Oh, udah pegang api.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Wah, dipakai di Bang Berry.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past it. Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Alhamdulillah kita ada beberapa member
ini. Sebenarnya agenda ke sini kan karena agenda terlanjur janji. Janji yang tertunda. Kan kata mau datang di Hanif, tapi karena nggak bisa, nah sekarang baru bisa datang. Jadi saya kasih 1 sama sebenarnya karena rombongannya Om Tila, lalu berangkat ke sana kan 1-0. Ya ini saya kasih 1 sama.
Saya Ketua Regional Sultan Batara bersama
Ketua Chapter LUWUK Banggai
dan mengucapkan selamat atas anniversary yang ke-6 ynci Palopo Chapter. Moga di usia yang ke-6 makin sukses, kompak dan solid selalu. ynci! ynci! ynci!